What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Salito once again. I was supposed to put a video out yesterday, so I'm deciding I'm going to do possibly two videos today. I'm still feeling a little bit under the weather, but as the days go by, I'm getting a whole lot better. So appreciate the prayers. And before I jump into this video as well, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I don't want to be a financial advisor. So please don't look at me as one. And anything that comes out of my mouth pertaining to anything that I'm speaking on in this video is for entertainment purposes only. All right. So let's talk about AMC. So AMC's looking pretty decent, in my opinion. This is your ancient past, of course, on the right hand side, and on the left hand side you have your present time. So as of right now, it looks like AMC is actually getting ready to ramp up very, very soon, in my opinion. And the only reason why I'm saying that is because if you take a look right here at the MACD indicator is showing a nice little discoloration. So basically, when the color is getting dark like this, it means that it's going to the downside. When it starts getting a little bit lighter, then that means that it's starting to go back to the upside. So MACD is possibly going to break past this signal line very, 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 very rapidly soon, in my opinion. I haven't changed the little note that I had on here. This is what I had for the Discord when I was doing screenshots showing them the TA and stuff. But the MACD is actually getting stronger, and it should recover. Like I'd say, like in the next week or so, but it could recover a whole lot faster. So be on the lookout for that because it may happen soon. But as far as everything else goes with price action, I'm still thinking that we're going to go to that $8.47 range. Right here at the bottom on the daily, it looks like right here on the pink arrow, I keep adjusting the pink arrow on the daily. So as of right now, in my opinion, there is a double bottom right here on the pink, right here where the pink arrow is at. So there may be a possibility that we may end up seeing a nice amount of movement to the upside today, possibly. But in order for us to go ahead and see that, we got a break around, I believe it was $3.05, I believe. So if we can break $3.05 today, then there's a possibility that we're going to be shooting a little bit higher towards, like, I don't know, maybe 350, 325 ish. But if we continue staying in this area of trading, there's a possibility that we could also end up going down to as low as about like 280, about 285, 290 at the lowest. If anything, in my opinion, I honestly think that we're gonna go higher today. So other than that, I think that AMC is doing what it needs to be doing. I think AMC is actually getting ready to ramp up very, very soon, very, very shortly, in my opinion. And we're just going to have to wait and see, okay? We already know how this play is. This play can be very, very tricky. And, the powers that be trying to control our stocks, they don't want to lose. So, but anyways, we'll be all right. And also another thing to point out, we also have a gap right here. So there is a slight chance that we could actually break that due to being down here so long. So there could be a chance that we end up getting right here to this area of the wedge at the end of the descending wedge, and then we just shoot up. But who knows? But that's why I'm gonna put out videos as much as I can to keep you guys updated. But in my opinion, on a price for EOD wise, I think that we're gonna if we don't break $3.05 today, then there's a slight chance that we're gonna be barcoding between $2.98 and $3.02 throughout the whole day, in my opinion. Not financial advice. So that's enough for AMC. So let's go over here to GameStop. Let me save this real quick. Let's go to GameStop real quick and take a look over there and see what may possibly be going on. Okay, so I haven't done no adjusting with with AMC with GameStop. So I've just been letting it ride out the way as is, as you guys see through all my videos. If you go back to my previous videos, you'll see that I haven't really been too much moving anything until like the end of the day of things. But I still think that GameStop is about to do something very, very nasty, and I don't know when. I wish I did. If I did, I would have told you guys. I don't know, but in my opinion, GameStop is still looking very, very good as well. I still have my put options. Well, my put option on GameStop just to play it safe because you know anything can happen with these stocks or whatever. As far as with GameStop, the bottom seems to not be in yet. So I'm going to adjust this as a matter of fact, and I'm going to put it right here for now. But there is a slight chance that GameStop could continue falling down to possibly today, in my opinion, around to, I don't know, maybe about $10.75. If we can break past 1090, there's a slight chance that we may be beginning our trend to the upside. So I still have these put here, the arrows and everything, and you know I'm gonna just roll with it. But left side is your ancient past, right side is your present. Okay. As far as the MACD goes, as you can see, the MACD is basically fighting itself. It's fighting against the signal line, and the signal line is actually beating the MACD's ass. You see us going to dark red, then we go into a lighter shade of red, and then we go right back into that dark red again. So there could be a possibility that we end up seeing more downside today. And like I said, there's a possibility that I think that it may go down to about like $10.75, no lower than $10.70, in my opinion. Not financial advice. But there could also be a chance that today we could actually start seeing our uptrend. And if we can break, like I said, past that $10.90 range today, then there's a slight chance that we're going to see a nice amount of upside. AMC and GameStop, they run in tandem. I don't care what nobody else says. They be like, oh, AMC and GameStop, they don't run together. Yes, they do. In my opinion, they do. So take everything with a grain of salt, okay? But so far so good on GameStop. Now let's go over here to SHIB. Let me save this real quick. GameStop is looking prepped and ready to go. I'm not even gonna lie, like in my opinion, just from how things are looking, but we're gonna see, okay? But let's go over here to SHIB real quick. Show you guys what SHIB is looking like. Excuse me. So with SHIB, everything is still basically looking the same. We're still in this trading, the sideways trading. We're barcoding. We're basically barcoding still right now. Okay. We're still waiting for that very heavy move to the upside to show to signalize that we're about to get ready to break something on SHIB when it comes to what I'm seeing on the charts. Like I said before, we're still trying to we're gonna have to break that 3,607 of a penny wall. If we don't break 3,607 of a penny, then we're gonna continue going to the downside, or there's a possibility that we're gonna continue trading sideways, as you can see all through here. Okay. But once we get above 3,607 of a penny, then there's a slight chance that we're gonna peak out. Hopefully, honestly, if we could actually see a nice one pip candle going straight up to the upside, like one huge pip candle, that would be awesome. But right now, in my opinion, it's not looking like that. But if it were to happen, the peak of everything would turn out to be an 11,664 of a penny. I think that's what we're going to actually end up peaking at. If we break past it, hey, that's what's up. But as of right now, 11,664 of a penny is what I'm looking at as far as with SHIB goes. If you look down at the MACD, MACD is actually getting a whole lot more strength. As you can see, the red, and that it turns to another shade and it goes up. So we're waiting for this MACD to go across the signal line. The moment that, in my opinion, the moment that the MACD crosses the signal line, I think it's going to be some fireworks. But take that with a grain of salt. So I'm just going based off what I feel and what I see, so don't bash me for it, all right? But other than that, that's what I have right now for those. AMC looks good, GameStop looks good, SHIB looks good. If you guys want to join the Discord, you already know. Drop a comment down in the comment section, and then I will go and send you guys the link. But other than that, let's see what happens today in the market, and after the market is closed, I will possibly be dropping another video, okay? You guys take it easy. Safe hunting out there with your trades, and let's get to this money. Salito out.